Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. All eyes are glued to football as the 2026 FIFA World Cup is underway. But there's also a global competition for talent, and the government says Jamaica is looking to make its case. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness was addressing the 25th anniversary gala of the RIU Hotels and Resorts in Montego Bay, where he says this is crucial for economic development. Romardo Lyons reports.
Putting a cap on skilled Jamaicans, and at the same time opening the island's doors to more talent. That argument from Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness, as he stressed that Jamaica must now focus on becoming a destination that attracts and retains skilled workers. This against the backdrop of sustained economic growth.
Countries are competing for investments. They are competing for businesses. But you know what else they're competing for? They're competing for talent. That, in fact, is the biggest competition. Because no matter what investment, capital, business, rare earth, lithium, you need talent.
A 2026 Development and Democracy report for Latin America and the Caribbean revealed that more than half of Jamaicans plan to migrate within the next 3 years to work or live. The report points to economic concerns as the primary motivator, and Jamaica is second to Haiti in the Caribbean. Mr. Holness says Jamaica is known for supplying skilled workers to overseas markets. Now, there's another goal.
Forgive me for using the World Cup analogy. Too often we see ourselves as spectators cheering on other teams, not understanding that we are on the field as well. Increasingly, therefore, countries are competing for people. I want that point to seep in, not just to the audience in front of me, but to the wider Jamaica, where there is another conversation taking place.
In addition, he stressed that migration, tourism, and foreign direct investment are all influenced by the same factors that determine whether people choose one country over another.
This is why we are investing in infrastructure, why we are improving public safety, why we are expanding housing, why we are modernizing public services, why we are building resilience, why we are strengthening human capital. These are not separate initiatives. They are all part of a single national mission to make Jamaica a place of choice.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.